Guys, in this video I'll show you exactly how to make Netflix subtitles bigger and different color. Now, to customize how your subtitles look and display across all your devices, follow this step. First of all, log in using your web browser. Simply head over to your web browser and go to the Netflix website. If you have app, you can simply tap on your application, which you can install via App Store or Play Store. Now simply enter your email and sign into your account. After you access account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select on account. Now scroll down to the profile and parental control section and click on the profile you want to edit. That is, select your profile. Now look for the subtitle appearance option and click change. That is, opening the subtitle settings. Now here you can customize, you can modify the following. Font style. You can change the default font to options like block, casual or print. You can also adjust the text to small, medium or large sizes. Now if you want to change the text color, select from white, yellow, green, blue, red or magenta or any other colors you like. Now if you want to change background and shadow, add a drop shadow, raised or depressed text effect or place a solid or semi-transparent background box behind the text to help it stand out. Now click the Save button. Your new settings will apply automatically across all compatible devices linked to your profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment down below